What's up guys? Today I'm going to be going over exactly how to install an oil catch can system on a Veloster Turbo 1.6 model. So we'll start over here with the brackets. There's a lot of people out there who try to, jerry rig their own bracket, but what I decided to do is just go with the ADDW1 kit. It comes with absolutely everything you're going to need. As you can see, a bracket built specifically for the vehicle. In order to install this bracket, what you do is you remove the ground bolt. It comes with a new bolt to put back in there, so you're putting the bracket over the ground, and then the two actual catch cans, which in reality you do not need two, you just need the one for the PCV that goes into the intake manifold, which I'll explain in a second. But you have two bolts here that attach to the catch cans. Once again, you have a dipstick to see how much blow by is in there, and you can actually just twist right below where it says ADDW1 on that can there. You just twist it to empty it. They do also come with drain kits, however this one does not have the drain kit, but that makes it a lot easier to actually dispose of any blow by that's in there. You have these nice hose clamps here. You just have a bolt in the center rather than using a hose clamp like that. Just makes things a lot easier, look a little bit better too. It also comes with pre-cut vacuum hoses. So these right here, rather than having to source the diameter and guess the length, everything comes exactly how it should. That way, right out of the box, it's ready to go. You'll notice here, this is what I was talking about. This is your PCV valve right here. This is where a majority of the blow-by is going to be coming from. And with direct injection, especially turbo cars, you're having a lot of carbon buildup due to blow-by, which is in most cases from PCV. So your inlet right here runs into the left side, and then exiting on the right side is going to be going into your intake manifold, and you'll have a splicer right here to connect those two hoses, and you'll see down there it goes into your intake manifold. Now this other catch can right here, this is for your crankcase ventilation, which is right here. Not as useful, but if you want to play it safe or really drive the crap out of your car, it could be beneficial. You'll see that your inlet, once again, on the left side, your outlet going into your air intake is on the right side there. It also comes with these hose clamps, but it's much simpler than having to source all the parts. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the ADDW1 website below. You just type in 2013 Veloster Turbo, and it'll pop up with a bunch of different oil catch can options for the single or double. I think they also have blow off valves and things like that, but this is much simpler than trying to build your own setup, and it works great. If you really wanted to go the budget route, I would still recommend going on the website and looking at the list of parts that they provide and the different dimensions, which could make it much easier to do it yourself. But I recommend, if you got the money for it, just go ahead and get the kit. That way 100% everything's going to be how it should, and it's going to function, be ready to go out of the box. Check the description down below. You get another 5% off, and also a super cool catch can.